Hi friends, welcome to ARC Tutorials. In today's tutorial we will learn how to download any videos from Twitter. That's right. In previous tutorials we have seen how to download an image or save a photo from Instagram, from Twitter. In other tutorial we also saw how to download videos from Instagram. So don't forget to check out my other video tutorials in the description below. And also, if you like this video, hit like button, hit subscribe button to my channel to get more such cool tech hacks. All right, so let's get started. In this tutorial I'll show you how to download any video from Twitter. So before we go, let's search for some of the videos, and I have opened some of the videos here on Twitter. You can see. So let's say you like this particular video which you want to download. Just all right, so now let's click on that Twitter status. So don't click on the video, click on the status, so it would open up in a new window. So there you see it's the video that's playing with the message. Now all you have to do is just add mobile in front of it. Put mobile.twitter.com with the same status, so it would give a mobile layout to you and you would still see the image and the video. So now right click. I'm using Google Chrome. So Google Chrome has developer tools which you can use. So right click, you would see an option called inspect element. Click on that, or even better, you can just say view page source, say .mp4. You will not find it. P4 you'll not find it because it's encrypted. So the way we do it is you do inspect element, and then you see this, you would see the video. See, on mouse over, on hover, you would see that it's showing you which element it's targeting. So click on that image of the video, open, keep opening that video URL, keep expanding, keep expanding till you get the video source of it. And it's inside, I know, but we need to keep finding that. So this is the image thumbnail, so which means the video is in the previous one. Let's find that out. So just right click on the video, inspect, there you see. So there it shows the image. So let's figure out where we have the video. See, it says link, and then scroll down just a bit. So copy this URL, paste it here. So there you see the image that's there. So once you click on that video, it will open up in a new window. Now click inspect element, and there we see the source. See this mp4 format, see the mp4 video URL, copy that and paste it, and this is the video that's available. You can just save video as, and you can get the Twitter video on your local machine. You can play it, just say save video as Twitter, and there it will download the video for you. So just to recap, recollect, open the status of the Twitter, add mobile dot in front of it. That way it will render the mobile layout. Once you see the video, click on it, it would open the video player. Once the video player is up and running, right click on it, inspect element, and you would see the video tag. Once you have the video tag, you can find the mp4 URL. So this way you can find any video that you want from Twitter. I hope you find this tutorial useful. It's one of the coolest hack that I've seen. Um, So let me know if you find it useful. Comment down below if you need any help. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, friends. Thank you.